Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the personal luxury folding shopping cart with stair climbing wheels, a game changer for your shopping and transport needs. This innovative cart features premium stair climbing wheels and a lightweight aluminum frame, making it perfect for effortlessly navigating stairs in apartments or markets. Weighing under 12 pounds, its ultralight yet sturdy design supports up to 75 pounds, with a large shopping bag capacity of 55 pounds, ensuring your shopping trips are both simple and enjoyable. The versatile collapsible trolley includes standard rear wheels that you can easily swap with just a push of a button, making it ideal for carrying groceries, laundry, and more, while being senior and public transport friendly. Its compact and hassle-free folding mechanism allows it to fit in small spaces, with folded dimensions of just 25 by 18.5 by 9.5 inches, and it assembles in under a minute without any tools required. Plus, with a 2-year warranty, you can rest assured knowing that Strolee stands by their product, ready to make things right if you're not completely satisfied. Based in Charlotte, North Carolina, Strolee is committed to enhancing your shopping experience with this remarkable cart. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.